Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel. In today's video I'll share with you a remedy to treat your nails and keep it healthy using 3 simple natural ingredients, which is olive oil, lemon juice and castor oil. Tablespoon of castor oil, half tablespoon of olive oil, half tablespoon of lemon juice. So mix it all together till well combined, and the remedy is ready. So apply this again with your fingertips, just like this. Warm it up a bit and massage it on each nail. You massage for 5 minutes. And allow this to sit on you for 45 minutes before you go ahead and rinse it off with lukewarm water. You repeat this remedy 3 times in a week for about 2 to 3 weeks for best results. So that is it, guys. This is all there is to this video. Go ahead and share with your friends, your loved ones. Give this video a huge thumbs up because it was very informative and useful, and click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you miss any of my upcoming videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.